Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are some cool things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. The image sensor market has been seeing growth in recent years, a trend that experts at management consulting firm MarketsandMarkets say will continue. Citing advancements in automated technology and visual data processing, and various industries' growing reliance on them, the recent report projects this market overall will increase at a 7.7% compound annual growth rate through 2032, up from $23.7 billion in 2025 to just over $37 billion. CMOS image sensors in particular are expected to dominate this sector of the market during the forecast period, while the 3D image sensor segment is presumed to hit the highest growth rate, nearly 15%. The industrial realm and the Asia-Pacific region are also expected to dominate. Among specific factors for the accelerated growth is the machine vision and robotics sector in industrial environments, as manufacturers are more and more implementing automated systems, particularly for inspection and assembly tasks. Other factors include increased deployment of security and surveillance infrastructure, as well as advanced medical diagnostics technology integration for applications like endoscopy, and the rise of autonomous vehicle production. VisionWave Holdings, a developer of AI-driven radio frequency-based sensing and computational acceleration technologies for defense and commercial applications, has acquired a controlling interest in advanced 3D perception systems developer Foresight Autonomous Holdings. The agreement gives VisionWave 52% of Foresight's outstanding shares in exchange for $17.5 million in VisionWave's shares of common stock. The move will help enhance technologies, including VisionWave's StratumSense suite. The three-layer sensing infrastructure includes VisionWave's radio frequency-based AI detection, wide-area, all-weather threat awareness, Foresight's camera-based stereo and thermal perception used in automotive and defense applications, and the Excalibur AI video intelligence component from VisionWare that focuses on behavioral analytics, essentially turning existing camera infrastructure into continuously learning AI agents. VisionWave representatives say the acquisition is ultimately meant to create a unified, superior multimodal perception platform for use with any unmanned experimental or military vehicle. New infrared imaging modules are transforming industrial intelligence. Developed by infrared thermal sensor manufacturer Raytron Microelectronics, the ultra-compact thermal imaging modules are meant to help integrate thermal imaging, SWIR imaging, and optical gas imaging technologies into industrial automation, predictive maintenance, and intelligent inspection systems. Size and power constraints have long limited thermal imaging cameras used for electrical inspections, but Raytron's developments are addressing such challenges. Among them is the TC2C, a miniature long-wave infrared thermal imaging module. Company representatives say the system converts thermal radiation into high-quality images and precise temperature data. It can be integrated in PCB inspection systems and handheld instruments too. The SE5-1280 series module, designed for large-scale industrial inspection, involves a self-developed second-generation ISP chip and shutterless technology. Raytron developers say it could be useful for applications like drone-based utility inspection, photovoltaic monitoring, and infrastructure assessment. The company's NS615AS10GE SWIR cameras are ideal for automated sorting lines, as they can decode chemical signatures of clear plastics for faster, more precise recycling sorting. And Raytron's Photon C330H cooled OGI module can image invisible methane and volatile gas leaks. Company representatives say these products help make Raytron a strong long-term technology partner. Well, that's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.